The camera industry is standing on the edge of a massive transformation, and the device currently at the center of every professional's conversation is the upcoming Fujifilm X-T6. For years, the X series has defined what it means to balance artistic control with technical precision. But the whispers emerging from supply chains and manufacturing hubs suggest that this model is not just another iteration. It is a fundamental shift in what an APS-C camera is expected to deliver in a professional workflow. Whether you are a dedicated Fujifilm user or a photographer looking to downsize your kit without compromising on image quality, the technical leaps being engineered into this body are designed to change your entire production process. The foundation of this performance boost is the sensor architecture. While the current market has been dominated by the high-resolution capabilities of the X-Trans CMOS 5-hour sensor, the X-T6 is slated to introduce a new partially stacked X-Trans CMOS 6-hour sensor. This is the crucial detail that separates a good camera from a professional tool. A partially stacked sensor design drastically increases the readout speed of the pixels. For those who shoot in fast-paced environments, this means two things: significantly reduced rolling shutter effects during high-speed video capture and a much faster electronic shutter response for high frame rate stills. This architecture allows the camera to bridge the gap between compact convenience and the performance standards previously reserved for much larger, heavier full-frame systems. This sensor is being paired with the next-generation iteration of the X Processor 5. The focus here is on efficiency and intelligence. The updated processing engine is designed to handle more complex neural network data in real time. What this means for your daily work is an autofocus system that functions with a higher degree of predictive accuracy. Instead of just identifying a subject and locking onto it, the system is being tuned to recognize the specific mechanical movements of human subjects, animals, and fast-moving vehicles. This translates to fewer missed shots during high-pressure scenarios, such as weddings, street photography, or documentary work, where you only get one chance to capture the moment. One of the most anticipated design changes involves the physical handling of the camera. The traditional three-way tilting screen that has defined the X-T series is receiving a sophisticated update. The new design incorporates a hybrid way hinge mechanism. This is a deliberate move to address the needs of modern creators who work as both photographers and videographers. By allowing for a full range of articulation, the screen ensures that you can monitor your shots from low-angle perspectives or while presenting in front of the lens, all while maintaining the structural integrity that Fujifilm users expect. This design ensures that the camera remains a tactile, dial-driven tool that feels solid in the hands while providing the versatility required for modern content creation. When it comes to video performance, the camera is pushing boundaries by optimizing thermal management. Recording in 8000 is no longer just a technical checkbox. It is a usable, reliable feature in the X-T6. The internal architecture has been redesigned to dissipate heat more effectively, allowing for prolonged 8030p recording sessions without the sudden shutdowns that typically plague smaller bodies. This is supported by high bitrate 10-bit 4:2 internal recording, which gives colorists and editors the latitude they need to push files to their limits in post-production. When you combine this with the signature Fujifilm film simulations, you are essentially getting a cinema-ready workflow in a body that fits easily into a standard camera bag. The integration of internal stabilization is another area where the X-T6 is expected to set a new benchmark. The target for this model is 8.5 stops of effective image stabilization. This level of compensation for camera shake is unprecedented for this sensor size. It effectively negates the need for a gimbal in many handheld shooting situations, whether you are capturing low-light urban environments or filming smooth B-roll in unpredictable conditions. For photographers, this means you can confidently shoot at much lower shutter speeds without the risk of blur, enabling you to keep your ISO settings lower and preserve the maximum amount of detail in your images beyond the core internals. The energy management of the system has also been overhauled. The X-T6 is built to utilize a refined version of the NPW-35 battery architecture, optimized to handle the higher data processing demands of the new sensor and processor. This is a critical factor for professional use, ensuring that the camera can withstand full-day shoots without needing a constant rotation of batteries. The overall build quality remains focused on weather sealing and durability, keeping the camera protected in harsh environments while maintaining a weight-to-performance ratio that is virtually unmatched by any competitor. The market positioning for this camera is clear. It is intended for the high-end professional and the advanced enthusiast who wants the best possible image quality without the ergonomic burden of a full-frame sensor. With the September release window approaching, the anticipation is building not just because of the resolution, but because of the workflow efficiency. Everything about this camera is designed to get out of the way of the shooter. The physical dials provide immediate control over exposure. The EVF is being updated with a higher refresh rate to provide a more natural, lag-free view of the world, and the file output is being tuned for maximum dynamic range and tonal depth. If you are currently evaluating your gear for the upcoming year, the X-T6 represents a significant milestone. It is not about changing your style. It is about providing the tools to execute your vision with greater speed and reliability. The camera industry has seen many trends come and go, but the focus on pure imaging performance, tactile operation, and compact efficiency is exactly where the professional market is heading. The technology being packed into the X-T6 is a testament to the fact that you do not need to settle for trade-offs. As we move closer to the official launch, the focus will shift from rumors to real-world application. Every spec, from the readout speeds of the sensor to the efficacy of the new stabilization system, is aimed at one goal: creating a tool that empowers the photographer. Whether your focus is on high-resolution landscape photography, fast-paced street work, or professional-grade video production, this camera is designed to serve as an extension of your own creative intent. The level of detail and engineering put into this model is a clear indication that Fujifilm is committed to maintaining its position at the top of the APS-C market. The transition to this new system will be seamless for those who appreciate the logic of the current X series, but the performance gains will be immediately apparent the moment you pick it up and start shooting. This is the hardware evolution that many have been waiting for, and it is almost ready to enter the market. The final design, the refined button layout, and the polished firmware all point toward a device that is meant to be the cornerstone of your gear collection for years to come. The era of the X-T6 is almost here, and it is set to redefine your expectations of what a camera can achieve in the professional space. This represents a pivotal moment for creators worldwide, bridging the gap between professional power and portability. The X-T6 is not merely an upgrade. It is the ultimate realization of Fujifilm's vision for the future of photography, ensuring you remain at the cutting edge of visual storytelling with absolute confidence.